Hello students, today we are going to learn the basic construction, the perpendicular bisector of a segment. So we will see how to draw the perpendicular bisector of a segment. First of all, you should draw the segment of given length. Here I am going to draw a segment of length 7 cm and then I will bisect the segment. So first of all, you should draw the segment of length 7 cm. Let us suppose that this is segment AB. Whenever you draw a segment, you should write the name of the segment immediately so that there will not be any confusion while drawing the perpendicular bisector. Now we will draw the perpendicular bisector of this segment. For that we will place the pointer of the compass at point A. We will take the distance of more than half, means here the distance should be more than half, it should not be less than half of the segment, so that the two arcs that we are going to draw will intersect each other. If we take the distance less than half, then it will not intersect each other, and therefore we should take the distance of more than half in the compass and we will draw two arcs, one from point A. On the upper side, place the pointer at point A, draw the arc from point A and then draw the arc below segment AB. Similarly, place the pointer at point B, draw two arcs intersecting the previous arcs, one on the upper side and one on the lower side of the segment AB. Now we will mark the point of intersection of the arc, then place the ruler properly and we will join these 2 points and we will get the perpendicular bisector of segment AB. So this is line L, that is perpendicular bisector of segment AB. Now let us draw the angle bisector of an angle. To draw the angle bisector of an angle, first of all draw the angle of given measure. First of all I will draw a ray, then I will draw the angle of given measure. Suppose that here the measure of the angle is 60, then we should place this point of the protector at point at the vertex, and then start as the arrow is on the right hand side, we will go on measuring the angle from right side. So this is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. So this is the angle of measure 60 degrees. We will complete the angle. This is angle of measure 60 degrees. I will label this as angle A, B, C. Now we will draw the angle bisector of this angle ABC. For that, place the pointer of the compass at the vertex, that is point B. Take suitable distance. This distance should not be very large, as we are going to draw the angle bisectors of the triangles in the next part. So if we take this distance much more, then it will become somewhat difficult, because the entire angle bisector should cover in the single page, and therefore we should take a suitable distance, means the distance should be around 2 to 3 centimeter, and then we will place the pointer at point B and then draw the arc. You can draw the arcs like this, or you can draw the arc completely like this, and name this point of intersection as suppose point P and point Q. Now again place the pointer at point P and draw an arc in the interior of angle ABC. We can change the distance here in the compass, and now we will place the pointer at point P and draw an arc in the interior of angle ABC from point P. Similarly, place the pointer at point Q without changing the distance in the compass and then draw the second arc intersecting the previous arc. And now we will join this point. First of all, we should mark this point, and then we will join this point with the vertex of the angle, and we will get the angle bisector of the given angle. So here suppose this is point D, then ray BD is the bisector of angle ABC.